What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another random video. Today I'm going to be showing you this thing I just got. It's a Timber Ridge hammock chair, which is a folding travel chair. Let's check it out. Inside the box you get the chair and some instructions. It looks like it is really nicely packaged. I'm going to need 2 hands for this. Inside the bag you have the hammock chair, the stand, and also want to point out this bag is actually really solid material. I gotta say, doesn't look like it's going to be tearing apart anytime soon. So we're gonna remove everything and open it up. It's as simple as, let's see if we can do it with one hand. There you go. The base expands, and then you have your hook on each side, and you hook it onto the hammock. The hammock comes with the hooks right here, and on the other side like that. This is what it looks like when it's assembled. It's actually really sturdy. There are 2 clips, one on each side. Make sure they click into place. To release, you squeeze that and it will release. You can fold it back up. The backrest is adjustable. There is a strap you can adjust just by tightening the belt or the strap. The backrest has 2 carbon rods to hold its shape, and also 2 rods, one on each side, for stability. I recommend it. I bought it on Amazon for about $45. So get yourself one.